Good evening, we love food walk with Ricardo nunes and Antonia septimo. Today I got a Haggis recipe to make it. So it will be Haggis with mashed potato and gravy. So it's a Scottish recipe. So in the kitchen we are fire.
Taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Here we go. We're doing this is the Haggis I got here. This is for the Haggis. You got some carrots, got some potatoes, you got olive oil, salt, and you're gonna do a gravy, onion gravy. So this is the ingredients for the recipe. Yeah? That's the Haggis. Now I'm gonna boil it for 45 minutes. So it's gonna boil in water for 45 minutes there. So that's the Haggis inside there. 45 minutes boiling, so let's wait. The next thing here, I'm gonna put the carrots in here. We're gonna boil the carrots because we're gonna do a mashed potato together with carrots. So it's gonna be yummy, it's gonna be tasty. So it's cooking there. Eh? I got my potatoes now, so like you see, you got my carrots in here. Can you see the carrots in here? The carrots inside there. So I'm gonna put the potatoes. You're gonna mix it together. So we're gonna mash it, we're gonna cook it properly, we're gonna mash it together. Carrots and potato, we're gonna mash it together to eat with the Haggis, which the Haggis are already boiling there. It's gonna take about 45 minutes cooking there, and this one here needs to cook properly until they mash up. Eh? Thanks for watching. Hello, you see, the mashed potato with the carrots is there. Then we got the Haggis on the other side. Now I'm going to do the gravy here, so I need to put the 2 spoons of gravy mix in there. Gravy going to be like this. Slide. Like you see, I'm doing the gravy. We're going to put this here for the 2 spoons to make the gravy. Okay, mixing the gravy. Okay, so I got the gravy mixing, so I got the Haggis and the mash is still going. So thanks for watching. So the next step, each thing needs to cook, so the next step we're going to make the mash, but now everything is good, yeah? Wow, it's going to be lovely. Haggis with mashed potato, gravy. Okay, so the mashed potato is already been cooked, yeah? Can you see? Mashed potato cooked now, I drained it, so I'm going to cook that without the water, and I'm going to make it, I'm going to just squash everything, yeah? Squash everything to make it mash, yeah? Let's make some mash, yeah? Let's squash everything to make it mash, yeah? You're gonna squash everything, you're gonna make it mash now. Okay? Gonna make the mash now, watching. People, I see, I'm still doing my mashed potato. Looking good, eh? Looking good, eh? Look at this, eh? Looking good. Okay, a bit of black pepper as well, eh? It's gonna be delicious, eh? Oh yes, it's gonna be delicious, this stuff, eh? Look at that, it looks so delicious, eh? We love food walk with Ricardo nunes and Antonia septimo. Wow, this, eh? It's delicious, eh? Yeah, look at this mashed potato, looks so delicious, eh? Very delicious, eh? Can't wait to eat that, eh? Looks so yummy, delicious. Yeah, the Haggis is here, and we got the mashed potato there. So I got the Haggis and the mashed potato. Okay, let me get this Haggis now. Just feel this, eh? Look at that, eh? Look at that, Sandra, look at this, eh? Beautiful Haggis, eh? Spelling. Wow. Ja, dat is de Haggis. Ja. Hier de Haggis. Ja, dat laten. De Haggis hier. Nou, de mashed potato. Mashed potato there. Look at this, looks beautiful. And now, I'm going to put a bit of a gravy. This is how we serve it, Okay, look at that. Haggis with the mashed potato. Does it look beautiful? Okay.
Beautiful, nice.
Nice. Can you stop that?
We love food warm. In the kitchen, Ricardo is.
Look at that. Haggis with the gravy. And
For those that gonna die today, greeting you.
yeah, nice food from Scotland.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have a taste.
Haggis
Haggis.
with the carrot and potato mash. What do you think about the Scottish food? Different? You never tried the Scottish food before?
Never eat that before, but I love Scotland. you know?
Scotland, hey. Good, eh? Look at that, eh? Haggis with the gravy and the mashed potato with the carrot, all mixed together. Yeah, so in the kitchen we have fire, eh?
Yeah. Is my hair
Would
good?
you recommend?
Is my hair good for all the young ladies that looking at me, eh?
Yeah, very good, eh? So would you recommend that to the world?
Yeah, of course, of course.
Is something different?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching.
If you want to try something different, eat haggis.
Okay, haggis with the mashed potato, together with the carrot and the gravy.
Yeah, and you can come and taste it here.
And please subscribe to BK channel.
And also subscribe to Ricardo.
Yeah, we love food world.
We
Thanks
love
for
food
watching.
world. Yeah.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.